In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce. If you're looking to streamline your print-on-demand business and start selling custom products through your WooCommerce store, this guide is for you. By the time you finish this tutorial, you'll have your Printify account seamlessly integrated with your WooCommerce site, so you can focus on what you do best, designing and selling amazing products. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. The first step is to head over to your WordPress admin panel. This is the back end of your website, where you manage all the settings and tools for your WooCommerce store. Once you're in the admin panel, navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Permalinks. This section controls how your website URLs are structured. Now this part is important. You'll need to choose any option other than plain options like day and name, month and name, or even post name will work just fine. Why is this necessary? Well, Printify requires your permalinks to be set to a more user-friendly format to ensure the connection between the two platforms works properly. After you've made your selection, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Once that's done, your WordPress site is ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to head over to Printify's website. Simply go to printify.com. If you already have a Printify account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to Printify, creating an account is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to sign up, and you'll be ready to move forward. Once you're logged in, look for the Manage My Stores option in your dashboard. This is where you'll connect your WooCommerce store to Printify. Click on Add New Store, and you'll see a list of platforms that Printify supports. Scroll down until you find WooCommerce and click on the Connect button. This is where you'll need your WooCommerce store URL. You can find this in your WordPress admin panel under Settings. It's usually your website's domain name, followed by a /. Once you've copied your store URL, paste it into the field provided in Printify and click Connect again. At this point, you'll be prompted to approve the connection. Go ahead and click Approve to allow Printify to integrate with your WooCommerce store. Now that the initial connection is complete, let's move back to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to Plugins in the left-hand menu, and then click on Add New in the search bar. Type in Printify and hit Enter. You should see the Printify for WooCommerce plugin appear in the search results. When you find it, click the Install Now button next to it. The installation process will only take a few moments. Once it's finished, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site, and that's it. Your Printify account is now fully integrated with your WooCommerce store. With this setup, you can start adding products from Printify to your WooCommerce site, customizing them to fit your brand and selling directly to your customers. Printify will handle the printing and shipping so you can focus on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.